How's it going, everybody? Greg Hitchko here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these complete engine rebuild kits from Wrench Rabbit. As you see, I have 3 kits here, and I can't thank Wrench Rabbit enough for providing these kits for my throwback 2-stroke garage build shootout. If you guys are not familiar with what a Wrench Rabbit kit is, it's like I said, it's a complete kit and has everything that you need to rebuild your entire engine, top to bottom. It has the piston kit, gasket kit, all of the seals, crank, and if you have a 4-stroke, it's gonna come with even more goodies in that box. So what's convenient about it is actually the statement right on the box. It's quick and smart. It's your one-stop shop that has everything that you need to rebuild your entire engine. You don't have to go online and piece everything together, which takes time and costs way more money. So I've got a Suzuki RM250 kit here, a Yamaha YZ250 kit, and then a Honda CR250 kit here. Now I don't have one for my 2007 KX250 because I recently just rebuilt that for my last project. It only has 25 hours on the motor, so I didn't need a new crank or bottom end. All I got was a Vertex piston kit for the top end. Now when I did that project, I completely pieced everything together one by one. It's recommended that if you can go OEM, then go OEM, but it is gonna cost you a little bit more money. And the thing is with these kits, all of the products in these kits meet or exceed OEM standards. Heck, Vertex pistons even come stock in KTM's, Husqvarna's, and Gas Gas's, which is really cool. So you know you have the quality there. So in terms of price, you're looking at $500 to $600 depending on your application for 2-strokes. If you have a 4-stroke, it's gonna be a little bit more, but I don't have the prices on any of the 4-stroke models. So with the RM250 one, it was about $580. This YZ250 was $560, and then the Honda one, CR250, was about $512, so that was the cheapest. When I pieced together my Kawasaki, it cost me about $700 to piece everything together outside of this awesome kit. So that included the Vertex piston kit for $115, the complete Vertex gasket kit was $70. I sent the crank out to Millennium Technologies, and that was $250. I think that included shipping on the way back as well, but I obviously needed to ship the crank out there, so that was about $25. And then I went on Rocky Mountain's website and pieced every single bearing in the bottom end for that Kawasaki, and that was about $240. So when you add all that stuff up, it came out to just over $700 for a complete engine rebuild that I pieced together myself. So that's what's awesome about these kits. They're gonna save you about $120 to $180 depending on your application against going out and sourcing OEM products. So enough of that talk, let's finally dive into what this box includes. So let's crank her open. So first thing coming out of it is gonna be a complete Vertex gasket kit. Like I said, for the Kawasaki, this cost me $70 if I were to piece it together. We have Hot Rod transmission bearing kit, Hot Rod's water pump rebuild kit, which is pretty cool. I don't think I included that in my rebuild of the Kawasaki, so that's a neat little addition you got to the package. You have the engine oil seal kit here, so all the seals in the bottom of the motor that you need to rebuild it. We have the Vertex piston, and inside there is gonna have everything that you need. So it's gonna have the rings, the circlip, the wrist pin, and the beautiful piston itself. What else we got in here? Okay, then we have the main bearing and seal kit. So that's 2 main bearings and 2 seals for the rebuild kit. Okay, cool sticker. And then finally, we have the Hot Rods crank. Let's get this box out of the way for a second. Let me see if I can open this up. Got some nice foam packaging in here, and oh yeah, check out this brand new crank, brand new rod, everything that you need. Oh yeah, and also the wrist pin bearing as well. So if you guys didn't have any experience with these complete engine rebuild kits from Wrench Rabbit, there it is, everything that you need to completely rebuild your engine in one convenient package. You save some cash by keeping money in your pocket, and then you can go spend it on other parts of the bike that you wanted to spend it on. You guys are probably wondering the real quality of these Wrench Rabbit kits, and I'm gonna touch upon that again. If you have the cash to buy OEM and have the time to piece everything together, probably not a bad idea to go that route, because OEM is always gonna be your best bet when rebuilding an engine. How much better? I really don't know, because everything in this kit, including the Hot Rods bearings, crank, the Vertex piston kit, all of the seals, is made to meet or exceed OEM quality. It says that all over the boxes, and these aftermarket companies really pride themselves on meeting and exceeding that OEM quality. And me personally, I think a lot of the integrity of your bike has to come down with you, the owner itself, how well you take care of it. How often are you cleaning that air filter? How often are you changing that oil? How often are you changing that top end? Are you letting things slide? Are you riding the bike a little bit longer with these dirty air filters, oil, top end, which is when things start to go downhill really quickly and the quality of the parts in your engine and bike, whether it's OEM or aftermarket, goes down the drain. So again, I'm a big believer in that and don't like to put the blame on the aftermarket companies because these companies work hard to put out a quality product for you. Now, if you guys have used these Wrench Rabbit kits in the past, I'd love to know your experience with them. So definitely leave a comment below for me because I'm always curious about what you guys think and your experience with these products. But that's all we got in today's video for this unboxing of the complete engine rebuild kits by Wrench Rabbit. If you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you go ahead, punch that like button for me, subscribe to the channel because I've got more product reviews, moto how-tos, and bike builds, which includes all these models for the Throwback 2-Stroke Garage Build Shootout. As always, guys, ride hard, be safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.